Hey there, folks. Today I'm diving into the latest buzz in Zimbabwean politics. Former tourism minister Walter Mzembi is making waves with his bold criticisms of President Emmerson Mnangagwa's economic policies. Mzembi didn't hold back, folks. He's taken a sharp jab at Mnangagwa's handling of Zimbabwe's currency, the ZiG. Mzembi believes Zimbabwe should adopt a free market approach, similar to Zambia's KUTYA, which coexists seamlessly with the US dollar. Mzembi's message is clear. If you settle on a currency, use it yourself. He's calling out the government, urging them to lead by example. This criticism highlights the inconsistencies in Mnangagwa's economic policies. It's not just about the currency, folks. This comes amid growing concerns over Zimbabwe's economic struggles and human rights issues under Mnangagwa's leadership. Amnesty International has reported on the government's failure to break away from the past. Instead, they're perpetuating a cycle of violence, oppression, and impunity. Mzembi's call to action is loud and clear. Fix the fundamentals. He's tagging Mnangagwa, Finance Minister Mthuli Ncube, and Reserve Bank Governor Gideon Guvamatanga, pushing them to tackle the underlying economic issues head-on. Let's break this down a bit. Zimbabwe's economy has been in a downward spiral for years. Hyperinflation, unemployment, and a lack of foreign investment are just a few of the challenges. Mzembi's suggestion to adopt a free market approach could be a game changer, but implementing it is another story altogether. Now, why is this important? Because the economic stability of Zimbabwe affects not just the nation, but also the region. A stable Zimbabwe could lead to more trade, investment, and overall prosperity for Southern Africa. But let's not forget the human rights angle. The international community has been critical of Zimbabwe's track record. From allegations of voter suppression to unresolved human rights issues, the Mnangagwa government has a lot to answer for. Mzembi's criticism isn't just empty talk. It's a call for real change, for accountability, and for a better future for Zimbabwe. He's challenging the leaders to step up, take responsibility, and make the tough decisions needed to turn things around. So what's next? Will Mnangagwa and his team take Mzembi's advice? Only time will tell, but one thing is clear. Zimbabwe is at a crossroads, and the decisions made today will shape its future for years to come. That's it for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on global politics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.